What's up YouTube? This is Nick doing a comparison video between the MetaWatch Strata and the MetaWatch Frame. The key difference between the two being construction. So if you're looking for a functionality overview, please click the link here and that will take you to a review of the functionality for the Strata, and like I said, it's identical between the two. So what you can do here, you can do here too. Now then, to get into the comparison. The Strata is the flagship of MetaWatch that they're most known for presently in the consumer market. It is the one that they got famous for on their Kickstarter. I do not have it currently paired. I've got my frame paired, but the screen will look a little bit different when you're actually using it. The construction of this is a thicker rubberized material, and it's designed to be sports watch. It has a little bit of bulk on the top here, but that adds so much safety in terms of water. Water tightness on this is the best that you'll find. You can go swimming with this watch, no worries at all. Waterproof is very critical for sports watches, and it's sweat resistant, and I've worn it during workouts and it works fantastic in that regard. The buttons are plastic, the clasp has metal in it, as well as the actual hinge is a metal pin, so I don't know if you can see that. And it is just a rugged, durable watch. So for anyone who spends more time outdoors, is looking for something that's a little bit more rugged and durable, the Strata is the way to go. For those of you like me who have a job in an office where you're expected to wear button-down shirts and have a little bit more executive, business-friendly attire, the Frame is something to consider. This is an all-metal construction watch, except for the face, of course. And the band is leather. The entirety of the back and side is metal, and it's stainless steel, and it is, I don't want to use the word heavy because it's not necessarily heavy, but it's definitely robust, and it feels very good in the hand and on the wrist. The band is genuine leather. It has two bands to, the strap is genuine leather. It has two bands to hold onto the tail end of the strap. One is embedded, as you can see. The other one's free floating, and a stainless steel clasp. Charging for both is the same. You've got the Strata's a little bit more difficult. You've got the 4 pins on the back, and it corresponds to a clip. Between the two watches, I think I will actually be wearing my Frame. Mostly, like I said, just because it has a much thinner form factor. This one here, I mentioned how waterproof this one is. This one's also waterproof. If you find yourself caught in rain, no problem. If you want to shower with this on, no problem. But don't go swimming with it. This is the one that will be compromised first by water. But again, if you're looking at it more for just casual wear, the Frame's the one to go with. And if I just put these up next to each other, you can see real quick how much thinner the Frame is. If it would just come into focus. Anyways, you get the idea. They both have the exact same screen, exact same internals. It's all the same between the two. It's just a matter of what you're going to be using it for. There, now it's in focus. Okay, I have a couple different clips in front of me. The red one here is the developer clip. This is a very specific purpose, and it is available on their website, but it is $50 just for this, and it has a, like I said, very specific use for programmers and developers. So if you are not into development, you don't need this. These are the clips that come standard with the watch. You can see one is taller than the other. This one's for the Strata, this one's for the Frame. And that's just to accommodate for the different form factors, and they each come with a USB cable for charging and data transfer. All of these are capable of charging and data transfer. The developer clip is not exclusively data or anything like that. They're all capable of charging the watch and moving data from a computer to the watch. Of course, you cannot swap between the two just because of the form factor. If you try and use this on the Frame, you will not have these properly seated, and you'll have a bad connection, and this will just be overstressed and not actually get a good grip. Other than that, the two watches, like I said, they function the same. They each run off the official MetaWatch Manager app. Let me just pull it up for you real quick. It's very simple to use, very easy, and they're adding more features every day. iPhone has currently a lot more functions available. Android, there's more on the way. As you can see, if you're running Android, I have a weather widget here. So they are working diligently to get all that updated and pushed out as soon as possible. Anyhow, thank you for watching. If you like what you see, please feel free to subscribe to my channel, give this video a like, or recommend it. That would be great. Otherwise, tune in for more. Thanks for watching.